kung magsisimula ulit ako sa affiliate marketing business ko this year, ito ang mga steps na gagawin ko. Number 1 is pipili ako ng niche na I am passionate about, that I have the knowledge, though hindi ako expert, pero meron akong proficiency. Which means, this will based on my experience, and then I will also do a market research kung ang aking passion and proficiency ay may mga problems ba itong sinusolve. And then, once done, pipili ako ng products or pipili ako kung paano ako kikita dito. So, there are many things to make profit from it. So, first is through video ads, mga sponsorships, mga brand sponsors, and affiliate marketing or selling your own products. So, pipiliin ko ang affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing kasi dito, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sarili mong products just to get started. Kasi meron ng products na naka-ready for you, so you need to research for it. And then, step 2 is that, ayun na nga, dito tayo sa choosing the right product. Sa paghahanap ng product to promote as an affiliate marketer, ay pwede ako mag-sign up sa Clickbank, sa Digitor24, sa JVZoo, para maghanap ng mga digital products to promote. Perhaps ay bibili ako ng mga online courses muna. It's either mga Filipino course creator or international. So I have to experience first the course or the product itself bago ko siya i-promote. Kasi for me, mas madali ko siyang i-promote yung products na yun kung ako mismo ay nag-try dun sa products na yun. And also, I will choose a product na mayroong 40 to 60% na affiliate commission. And then, dapat meron na din siya mga ready-made na mga funnels, mga email swipes, or mga lead magnets. Para it won't take me too long to create or to build my affiliate marketing business. Step 3 is hindi ako gagastos muna sa mga mamahaling tools and software. Because when I started my affiliate marketing business, I have to spend thousands of pesos just to get started. But this time, I will choose System.io. System.io is an all-in-one software or program where you can have your funnels, your email automations, blog posts, where you can host your online courses, and many more. The best part is that meron silang free account where you can have up to 2,000 contacts and you can have 3 funnels and you can send emails unlimited. Okay, so yun po yung kagandahan sa System.io. I will create an account on System.io and then I will build my funnel there and also create an email automation. So si System.io yung magiging aking automation system for my business. The fourth step is to get traffic. First thing first, hindi muna ako mag-spend sa mga paid traffics gaya ng Facebook ads. I will learn the organic traffic, which is yung content marketing, yung paggawa ng mga videos, paggawa ng mga blog posts, especially reels. For me, dapat matutunan ko muna yung skills on how to talk to the camera, how to create videos, and then how to build my authority sa napili ko na niche. Though mahina yung pag-grow niya, but still, it will helps you to build your personal brand. Although marami naman tayong mga softwares and tools ngayon kung paano gumawa ng mga content, especially video using AI, for me talaga, if you want to build your authority, build your personal brand online, is that you need to be on the camera, you need to show up on the camera on any platform. For me, I will choose YouTube pa din. People will go to YouTube and then will search sa mga tutorials. Though it will takes a long time para ma-build mo yung authority mo sa YouTube. But at the long run kasi is magiging profitable siya sa'yo if you build it correctly. Now, if gusto mo naman ng madalian na paggawa ng mga content, then you can choose TikTok for Reels or sa mga shorts form na mga video. Meron ding Facebook Reels. So, those are the different ways na gagawin ko para mag-show up, para ma-build yung email list ko organically. Step 5. Dito sa step na to is dapat matutunan ko na kung paano mag-scale up. So, dito is dapat aralin ko na ang Facebook ads. I should know paano mag-run ng Facebook ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads. Kasi guys, kapag naka-paid ads ka na, mas mabilis na makakuha ka ng leads. And then, mas mabilis na makakita ka ng result. And then, mas mabilis na ma-evaluate mo yung business mo if it is working or not. Step 6 is to keep moving and don't afraid to fail. Many times na gusto ko nang sumuko sa aking affiliate marketing business. I've been doing this since 2018. And then, many times na din ako nag-stop and go. So, I just very thankful na hindi pa din ako sumusuko until now, even though wala pa akong big result sa aking business. So, last year, 2023, I said to myself na dapat all-in na ako dito and magfo-focus na talaga ako sa affiliate marketing business so that I can have the result that I want. Alright, to wrap it up guys, kung magsisimula ulit ako ng aking affiliate business this year, I will choose a niche, I will choose the right product, I will use System.io for my system automation, I will do first the organic marketing, and then I will do on the paid advertising. So, kung mayroon kang mga katanungan about affiliate marketing business, just leave a comment below and babalikan po kita dun sa comment na yon. On this video guys, I will show you on how to use System.io. So ito ay step-by-step A to Z Tagalog tutorial kung paano gamitin ang System.io for your affiliate marketing business or for your own products and services. I will see you there.